back, Wolves. I'm Chris Williams, and this year, like everything else going on in the world, Wolf TV is going to be considerably different from years past. It will not be a weekly show as it has been, and that's okay. Occasionally, we will have an episode because there's information we need to communicate to you, and this is one of those shows. First up, we have a very important message from the Future Center about their upcoming workshops that are designed to help you in your pursuits after high school.
Starting September 28th, the Future Center will be offering 5 workshops weekly. In the morning and afternoon, it will be a short 15-minute presentation followed by a discussion, question, and answers. Workshops will include applying to college 2 and 4 year, exploring military options, resume support and interview tips, job, apprenticeship, and short-term training options, and lastly, financial aid and scholarships. Stay tuned for specific details on how to connect to the workshops and the exact days, times the workshops will be offered. Enter a drawing for every workshop you attend.
Next is a message from Ms. Kodi Kelly about how to purchase this year's yearbook and the unique ways you can have your pictures and stories featured in it.
Welcome back, Westy. This year is sure to be unlike any other we've seen before. We have rockier roads to travel, bigger mountains to climb, curves and winding roads that are going to be unexpected. We are going to need confidence and perseverance to get through it all. In a lot of ways, we're like pioneers, setting out to discover new lands. So in honor of that and our journey together this year, we've decided to theme the yearbook, Traversing New Territory. We designed an incredibly beautiful cover that we can't wait for you to see. We're pretty excited about it, and we think you should be too. Here's how you can be ready for this journey and ensure that you have documentation of the strangest year in history. You should buy your yearbook. It's only $65. You can get it online at jostensyearbooks.com, or when we return to school after remote learning, you can talk to Penny at the accounting window. You can pay in 3 easy payments, get your book personalized, and guarantee a copy with your name on it. You know, we're gonna need pictures from you. With limited events and limited sports happening this year, we're gonna need help covering all the kids in the school. So we might reach out and ask for pictures or content or information about the sports you play and the things you're experiencing. You can also upload and submit those things whenever you feel like it, when you come across a moment that you think should be covered in the yearbook. Keep your eyes peeled on your email for a link to do these submissions all year long. Seniors, this is your year to celebrate, and the yearbook is going to celebrate you too. So there's 3 things you need to think about headed into the next month. Number 1, your senior photo. You get to submit a photo of your choice to be printed in the yearbook with your quote underneath it. This photo needs to be a high-resolution JPEG image. No filters or selfies, please. Have somebody else take the photo. A friend, a parent, a professional photographer, your choice. Have somebody take you to a nice spot and take a beautiful photo. The second thing you need to think about is your senior quote. It should be 25 words or less and will be printed under your senior picture in the yearbook. And please make sure that it's school appropriate. Finally, talk to your parents about taking out a senior baby ad. They can include a note and pictures of you when you were young to be printed in the yearbook as a surprise when it comes out in May. If they order before October 20th, they get special pricing. Visit theyearbookcompany.com for pricing and more information. Hang in there, Wolves. We'll get through this together. And don't forget, the yearbook has you covered.
Finally, next week is Spirit Week. Here is your student council to tell you what the week will look like.
Monday is Blackout Day. Wear all black to show your Westy pride.
Tuesday is Twin Day, where you get to dress up like your celebrity lookalike or twin it up with your bestie.
Wednesday is Pajama Day. Break out the SpongeBob comfy pants, hoodies, and slippers. No blankets at school, please.
Thursday is Decades Day. You can dress like your favorite musician or actor from your favorite decade in the past.
Friday is Meme Day, where you get to dress up like your favorite meme.
W.
H.
S.
Spear.
It.
Week.
Be sure to take pictures and send them in to aswafford@mywps.org, and you may find yourself featured on a future Wolf TV or in the yearbook. Don't forget the 3 W's of WPS. Wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.